Have you ever found yourself searching endlessly for your keys, your favorite sweater, or that important document you swore you put somewhere safe? If so, you're not alone. In fact, studies show that the average person spends over 2.5 days each year looking for misplaced items in their home. That's over 60 hours lost to chaos and clutter, hours that could be spent on things you actually enjoy. If you're nodding your head right now or feeling that familiar twinge of frustration, take a deep breath. There's a solution, and it's simpler than you might think. Home organization isn't just about having a picture-perfect house. It's about creating an environment where you can function at your best. It's about minimizing stress, saving time, and even saving money by not having to replace lost items. The best part? You don't need a massive renovation or a professional organizer to make a real difference. Sometimes, all it takes are a few simple, clever hacks that transform the way you interact with your space. Today, we're diving into 29 home organization hacks you probably didn't know you needed. Hacks that can change your daily routine and help you fall in love with your home all over again. Let's start by acknowledging some of the most common challenges people face when it comes to organization. Clutter seems to multiply overnight, especially in busy households. Limited space can make storage feel like an unsolvable puzzle. And perhaps the most universal struggle, not being able to find things when you need them, leading to wasted time and mounting frustration. But these challenges are not insurmountable. With the right strategies, even the smallest or most chaotic space can become orderly and efficient. So, what are these magic tricks for a more organized home? Let's jump into 20 of the most unique and effective organization hacks, each designed to tackle a specific problem and make your life a little bit easier. First, let's talk about entryways. If your front door is a magnet for shoes, bags, and mail, try installing a simple wall-mounted organizer with labeled hooks and baskets. Designate a hook for keys, a basket for outgoing mail, and a tray for shoes. That way, everyone knows exactly where things belong the moment they step inside. Second, maximize the space under your bed. Invest in low-profile storage bins or rolling drawers to keep seasonal clothing, extra bedding, or rarely used items neatly tucked away, all while staying easily accessible. Third, use vertical space in your closets. Adding a second tension rod or a set of hanging shelves can double your storage capacity. Hang shorter items, like shirts and pants, on the lower rod and reserve the top for longer garments, instantly making your closet more efficient. Fourth, turn a simple magazine holder on its side in your pantry to organize cans, foil, or plastic wrap. This keeps items neatly stacked and easy to grab without the domino effect that often plagues crowded shelves. Fifth, install adhesive hooks inside cabinet doors to store measuring cups, pot lids, or cleaning supplies. It's a clever way to use often forgotten space and keep your most used items within arm's reach. Sixth, create a charging station for all your devices. Use a small basket or box with holes cut for cords to corral phones, tablets, and chargers in one spot. No more searching for a free outlet or untangling cords. Seventh, employ drawer dividers in your kitchen and bathroom. These handy inserts instantly transform messy piles of utensils or cosmetics into neatly separated, easy-to-find categories. Eighth, label everything. Whether you're organizing pantry staples in matching containers or sorting craft supplies into bins, clear labels save time and prevent confusion, especially in shared spaces. Ninth, use lazy Susans in your refrigerator or cabinets to keep bottles, condiments, and snacks visible and accessible. Just spin to find what you need instead of digging through the back. 10th, repurpose a hanging shoe organizer for more than just footwear. Hang one on the back of a door to store cleaning supplies, toys, or toiletries, making use of vertical space and keeping small items contained. 11th, use stackable bins or boxes for bulkier items like blankets, toys, or off-season decor. Stack them in a closet, under a table, or in the garage to keep things organized and out of sight. 12th, dedicate a single basket or bin for miscellaneous items that tend to accumulate on counters. Think mail, receipts, or spare change. Empty and sort it once a week to prevent clutter from piling up. 13th, add small baskets or trays to your bathroom drawers to separate hair accessories, skincare products, and grooming tools. No more digging through a jumble to find what you need on busy mornings. 14th, use binder clips to tame unruly cords and cables. Clip them to the edge of your desk and thread your chargers through for a simple, inexpensive cable management solution. 15th, store sheet sets inside their matching pillowcases. This not only keeps your linen closet tidy, but also makes it easy to grab a complete set when it's time for laundry day. 16th, keep a donation bin in your closet or garage. Whenever you come across something you no longer need or use, toss it in. Once the bin is full, drop it off at your local donation center, making decluttering an ongoing, painless process. 17th, make use of clear storage containers. Being able to see what's inside without opening every box saves time and helps you keep track of your belongings. 18th, use tension rods to create extra shelves under sinks or in cabinets. Place cleaning bottles or spray cans on the rod, freeing up the space below for other essentials. 19th, store cutting boards, baking sheets, and trays vertically rather than stacking them. Use a file organizer or a specially designed rack to keep them upright and easy to access. 20th, implement a one-in, one-out rule, especially for clothing, toys, or kitchen gadgets. Whenever you bring something new into your home, commit to letting go of something else. This simple habit keeps clutter at bay and encourages mindful consumption. Now, let's spotlight a few of the most creative and surprising hacks that you might not have considered, but can make a world of difference in your organization journey. Consider turning an old ladder into a stylish and functional storage rack. Lean it against the wall in your bathroom or bedroom to hang towels, scarves, or even jewelry. It adds a rustic charm while providing extra storage without taking up much floor space. Another ingenious hack is to use magnetic strips inside cabinet doors or on the wall to hold metal items like tweezers, scissors, or spice jars with metal lids. This keeps small, easily lost items visible and within reach, especially in tight spaces like bathrooms or kitchens. If you constantly lose track of your remote controls, keys, or glasses, try attaching a small adhesive hook or tray to the side of your coffee table or nightstand. Designate this as the home for your essentials, so you always know where to find them. For families with kids, a color-coded system can work wonders. Assign each family member a specific color for baskets, hooks, or even toothbrushes, making it easy to identify what belongs to whom and encouraging everyone to take responsibility for their own belongings. Another surprisingly effective hack is to use a pegboard in your garage, craft room, or kitchen. Customize it with hooks, baskets, and shelves to store tools, supplies, or utensils. The flexibility of a pegboard means you can rearrange it as your needs change, keeping everything organized and within sight. These creative solutions not only maximize your space, but also add a personal touch to your home, making organization feel less like a chore and more like an opportunity for self-expression. Let's take a moment to recap the key benefits of implementing these organization hacks. First and foremost, they save you time. No more frantic searching for lost items or untangling messes. They also reduce stress by creating a sense of order and predictability in your daily routine. An organized home can even save you money by preventing duplicate purchases and helping you make better use of what you already have. And perhaps most importantly, a tidy, well-organized space promotes peace of mind, allowing you to relax and enjoy your home to the fullest. Remember, you don't have to tackle everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 hacks that address your biggest pain points and build from there. Over time, these small changes can add up to a big transformation, turning your home into a place where everything has its place, and you finally feel in control. If you found these tips helpful and want more ideas for simplifying and enhancing your home, don't forget to subscribe. There's so much more to discover, and together, we can make home organization not just achievable, but enjoyable. Thanks for joining, and here's to a more organized, peaceful, and joyful home.